Hello, friends. Welcome to Craft with Me. I promised myself this month that I would do 29 days of crafting with you. And so this is craft number 1. We are going to jump in. I'm not going to spend a lot of time reading comments or all the things because you guys can watch this on replay. They're going to be short, quick, sweet, to the point. Y'all are going to be able to use them, love them, and do them by the time we are done. So let's change our camera view, hop over and check out our craft number 1. So craft number 1, you guys, I am going to be doing the bookmark. I have the coffee bookmark. I love the colors of the coffee kit. Is so pretty. The teals, the browns, they just go really well together, and I can't wait to dive in. I also grabbed a sheet of the journal stickers so that I can add those because I love the colors, but I'm going to utilize some washi tape off of here, I think. So number one thing that I love to do with the bookmarks, because it makes it quick and easy, is the tearing. So the bookmark kits, if you are new to them, they are 1 strip of paper, cardstock, 2 strips of deco paper, and then a sheet of stickers. This one I actually used a sticker off of, but there's a sticker, some little words that you can use, and a tab at the top. And then there is also somewhere around here in my pile of things, there is a die cut that got lost. There it is. There's the die cut. And we're going to do the die cut. So that all comes in the bookmark kit, and of course a cute little bow. We're just going to decorate it. I'm going to do actually both sides because why not? It would be fun too. So I'm going to start by tearing paper. You know how much I love to tear paper. It's one of my favorite things to do because tearing paper is not an exact science, and I love that part of it. So I'm just going to utilize, I think I'm going to do something like this. And again, making a bookmark doesn't have to be difficult. The whole point of the kit is for you to be able to use a couple of different elements that Tula 12 has available. So the first being the paper, and then of course the stickers, the vinyl stickers that we have, but also the tab. It's a nice way for you to try out the tabs and see if they are something that will work for you. And I'm just going to line up this one piece of paper here. And I noticed that it's a little bit long on this one side, which means either the paper was long or I didn't get it all the way to the top. Either way, I've got scissors. I'll trim it. Okay, quick and easy. I'm going to go ahead and drop this little die cut right at the bottom of this side, because that was cute. We're going to do this. And then I think on the flip side, I'm going to do, again, a little paper tear. But instead of using both pieces of the paper, I'm going to use a washi strip off of the journal stickers, because I love the stickers. So I'm just going to do this one here on this side, and then I'm going to utilize this little washi strip sticker, and I'm going to, because it doesn't go the full length, I'm going to try to get it as close to the middle as I can, like so. I'm going to add this one little coffee sticker here on the bottom in the corner. Again, they don't have to be super difficult to make. I'm going to go ahead and add my tab at the top, and this is where you get to utilize this sample of the tab. And again, we're going to use both sides, so it doesn't really matter. So we're going to put this here. I'm just going to line it up. Looks like I curled my, there we go. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing. And when I get the other side down, then I can crease it in the middle. And I'll crease it in the middle. I'm going to use the Today stickers to put on the top and the bottom. And I want to add the little bow. Now I just need to decide which side I want to add it to. Probably this side. So I use glue dots for that. Again, these are not going to be extravagant long videos. I want to just be able to pop in, do something fun with you guys every day. Some of them will be live, some of them will be pre-recorded, so you just have to watch for them. And there is our cute little craft number 1 bookmark that you can utilize in your journal, your planner. And this comes from the Coffee Bookmark Kit. So have a fantastic day, friends. Thanks for hanging out with me. Stay tuned for more Craft with me through the month of February.